Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 4-piece compression bag set. First of all, the design is super cute. I really like how different that is. But on top of that, the feel of this is so different than the other bags. This is a 600D Oxford fabric, so it is tough. It's not going to be breaking anywhere. A lot of those are really loose. It has a zipper all around here. We'll just unzip and it opens up. You do have a little ventilation hole right here on the side, but it is completely waterproof because of this fabric, and it's nice and lightweight. You've got a little handle here, and it comes in 2 different sizes. So they compress down. That is the smaller one. This is your larger one. So this will hold a lot of stuff. You've got quilts or winter clothes, summer clothes, whatever you don't want to have out for a while, you can easily put in here. You've got your handles to be able to pull in and out. So for example, you've got a blanket here. Instead of having that out to be able to get dust or dirt or anything, you can put multiples in here just to conserve some space. We just put it in here. We use our nice zipper, glides real good. Then you could even press it down if you had others to then be able to put it on here. And you can even use this extra zipper on here to compress it down even further. So they have another zipper. So that way your bag is no longer huge. It just kind of makes it smaller for storage. Again, it zips really nice. Get it all done up in there. Then you have more storage space to be able to store a lot of different things. And with this tough fabric, you are ready to go. Store it up, use it again next year.